Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cookies and other site data in Microsoft Edge. So for you to do that, you have to click on the three dot icon, then you click on settings, then you click on privacy, search and services, and scroll down a little bit, and under delete browsing data, you click clear browsing data now, this option, and right in front of it you're going to tap the box and click on it. Then we're going to check this because this is not what we want to delete. This is actually this one we want to delete, cookies and other site data. So we're going to click on it. Once click on it, you can see from these cookies we have 16 sites signs you out of most sites. So once you click this, then clear it off. If you find this helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.